Good morning, everyone. Well, I've got a few more things done today, and I've brought in this here. Now these, I don't know, I might still keep that someplace. I'll probably keep that because I use the little drawers. I have all my alphas dies in there, and in that bottom drawer right there, and I'll probably put that someplace. But I want to put a tall Kallax unit there, drawer set. Right now, that's sitting right in front of where I usually put my layouts. So definitely can't be that high. I think the Kallax unit, I figured it would be a couple inches, or maybe even 4 inches shorter than that metal or that magnet board there. Okay, I did put some more 49 and Market chipboard pieces in there, so they're with the 49 and Market. I have filled up, well, put things that I need to fussy cut in there. And let's see. Oh, I put those Disney things I need to put away. I just stuck them on that third shelf. The top shelf I've just not cleaned out in the white shelf thing. Then I have the Disney pictures right there, and on the bottom I have some other stuff that just needs to be put away. Okay, and then I did put some more jewelry away. I've started putting stuff on the desk that I want to have here. I have my Empress there. I just put this piece of paper here because this is where I put my camera that I'm shooting with right now, and it needs to be over it so I can tell that I don't have it set back far enough, because it's like way out here. It'd be photographing my lap. This is where I keep the things that I use mostly when I'm scrapbooking. I have this old Boston guillotine cutter that I've had for years. I usually just use it for cutting. If I have to cut a piece of chipboard, I will use that. And otherwise, I use it like for cutting my business cards. I have a Fiskars. It's not always accurate. So otherwise, I would just use that all the time. I just got to where it was so annoying that I bought the Fiskars one. Okay, and then I have this. Sometimes when I do a layout, I'll put it on there. It just sometimes helps me do the planning because of the size. I do not plan on keeping this in here, but because I really want to get rid of the dresser. But I'm thinking I don't have enough surface space, so I'm thinking I might take these, stack them on top of each other, and actually put them in this spot when I move this stuff over into a Ikea unit that I can close the doors on, so I don't have to look at all these little things, because I just don't like the monotonous of it. Okay, and so anyhow, let's see, what have I done? I put my knockouts punches back here, and just because I needed something that I could put back there that I could see, so that worked good, because I actually had it back here, and so that won't be available once I move that. And oh, I have had people ask me about this. It's from Ikea. I love it. I bought 2 for myself and 1 for my friend, and I really wish I would have bought about 6 of them, because they quit selling them right afterwards. And I don't know if they come out with anything quite that neat yet, because it was so handy, because it holds, a collection. So I used it for Disney, and then I use it for my my collection obsession. And then anytime I'm working on something, like I will put maybe 30 days of sketches in there. Just anytime I'm working with like a collection or something. And so I've just filled this up with stuff that I don't know where it's going yet. I really wanted to stick this on my desk, but that's not possible. So, anyhow, it's like, I just thought I'd put these in here until, I decide, or get the things here that I'm going to have here, and then I'll just have to deal with it then. So I put these things here that were normally on the cabinet that that was a counter over there where the new Kallax unit is. And like I keep things, well, in here I probably could throw away a bunch of stuff that's in here. I keep this jar here. It keeps my rulers in it. I have my drafting ruler in it, and the metal ruler that I use all the time, and then rulers that can be used for cutting. And I put this up here, but I keep my business cards in there that I cut. These are glues that I had filled up a bunch of glues for that card class that we had. And then I have wax paper in there. You know what that's for. And then I have some things here. I gotta think of, I don't remember what's in them. I'll have to look later. I have that one card I made. These are those little boxes that look like books. And my daughter got me the little small one on top and the other one I've had. And then I have my photos, my husband's photos before we met. I think I said this in another one. And that has rubber stamps in it, some rubber stamps in it. Okay, so those are things that I'm going to go through, like everything that I have in these things, and see if I'm going to keep them, because I need to condense more. And so I will be going through other stuff. I mean, I piled up, like these are where I keep my thickers in these things, but right now I've plopped my branding strips here and any other strips that were that size. I got some other scraps in here and some more thickers here because when I was picking up the room I just kind of was throwing them everywhere. So, oh, I still have a few things that were in the closet. This actually is my containers that I had like just color embellishments in, and I had them color coded, and it worked really nice when I was going over to my friend's house scrapbooking all the time. But now I don't do that, so I'd really like to just blend them into with my other embellishments. So I'll probably do that one day, but not before my sister comes. So I'm just trying to you know, get done with that stuff. So I'm thinking it's looking pretty good. And I did put a few more things in the drawers, but just kind of with the stuff that they already went with, so nothing new. And these are containers that are empty, and so for that bottom box is actually something that should have went in that second basket. So it's just gonna have to stay there for now. And let's see, these are also some empty containers that I thought I might be able to put some things in. And the same with those things here on the bottom. One looks like a house, but they're just neat containers. The two top ones, my daughter gave me 3 of them. So I'll do something with them if I decide I can't use them. And so it looks like I've kind of messed it up, but it's stuff that should be easy to get rid of if I decide I don't want it. So and so I have gotten a little bit of stuff out of the guest room, but not enough. And so I just wanted to show you what I've got done. I will be able to film here because I need to make an embellishment for, what what's it called? I want to call it Small Scraps with ginger. I don't remember what it's called, and I do it every time. It's little scraps, big impact, something like that. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I also have a collab lab with Maureen. So I had to have these things set up, and I still need to bring in my lights. So this will get adjusted somewhat. Like this can probably sit right underneath here because it just would not be in the way. And my lights need to be on either side. So I'll be working at that. So that's what's new for today. And thank you for joining me. And I just want to thank everybody who's been cheering me on. And I'm really liking how it looks. I actually really like how this looks too. But I know I'll be so happy to not look at those things. So so in spite of how I like this, it's like I don't need this kind of cube storage, but I guess I'm gonna put it over here, I think. So I don't want to buy something until I know what I need. So I know I do need a few drawers, so I am gonna get an Alex unit for over there, and then I'm just gonna kind of let it grow as I see what it needs. So thanks again for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.